English Catalan. What is, equals.
¿Qué es?
Welcome. Hey you, welcome. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and free practice tracks. Today you'll get comfy asking, what is, in Catalan.
¿Qué es?
Curiosity on, shyness off. Let's have some fun. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask about any mystery object with zero panic. Ready to sound curious and confident? Core phrase. What is?
¿Qué es?
Point at a thing and ask.
¿Qué es això?
What is this? Point farther away and ask.
¿Qué es allò?
What is that? Forms and friends. Let's expand your question toolbox with close friends of.
¿Qué es?
Meaning check. What does mean?
¿Qué vol dir?
Plural things. What are?
¿Qué són?
People. Who is?
¿Qui és?
Location. Where is?
On és?
Funny mini dialogue. Time for a quick scene in a museum. Smile, you've got this. A. We stop at a shiny gadget. I whisper.
¿Qué és?
B. The guide winks, it's a compass. I lean closer and ask.
¿Qué és això?
Guide. A relic. A parrot nearby squawks.
¿Qué és?
At a mirror and gets very confused. Pronunciation boost. Say it with me, quick, confident, and curious. Memory rhyme. Say, "ks" to remember.
¿Qué es?
Keep it short and crisp, ks. Pro tip. Raise your eyebrows and tilt your head as you ask.
¿Qué es?
Your face learns with your mouth. Quick drill. You'll hear a situation. You jump in with the right Catalan question. You point at a device on a desk. Say.
¿Qué es això?
You see a strange word on a sign. Ask.
¿Qué vol dir?
Insert the word. Two unknown items on a shelf. Ask.
¿Qué són?
Faraway statue? Ask.
¿Qué és allò?
You forgot the name of a person in a photo. Ask.
¿Qui és?
You can't find the restroom. Ask.
On és?
Culture tip. Curiosity is classic Catalonia, lean into it. At Barcelona's MNAC, kids delight in asking.
¿Qué es?
At medieval artifacts, be that curious explorer, polite, smiling, and eager to learn. Quiz lightning round. Fast answers, say them out loud. How do you ask, what is, in Catalan?
¿Qué es?
True or false?
¿Qué es?
Means, who is? False, that's.
¿Qui és?
Complete it for a nearby object. What is this?
¿Qué és això?
Meaning check. What does mean?
Què vol dir?
Challenge. Let's turn curiosity into a habit. Pick 3 objects around you. For each, ask out loud.
Què és això?
Then look it up or ask a friend. Bonus. Keep a sticky note that says,
Què és?
on your desk. Every new word or gadget. Ask first, guess later. Wrap up. Nice work. Your curiosity superpower is unlocked. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Què és? Què és això?
And their friends daily. For more lessons, transcripts, and drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time.